Guys, someone was just saying ukuthi, you know what, i-case ka DJ Warasi cishe ifana nje nakaSenzo Meyo. Somehow I don't think so. I think these guys are the right guys. Uyi-mastermind uMajola, guys, uVictor. And then bese kuba this Mozambican guy. Even now, the embassy, Mozambique now was also dead caught. But now while we were speaking, this guy, at some stage, he was even saying things like, allegedly. I was like, allegedly what, bruh? Because this guy has agreed to unaliving DJ Warasi. He was coming out of a Zambezi, that building. And then when he was coming out, he was on the phone. He put down the phone and then they started shooting at him. He couldn't take out, he had a gun with him apparently, DJ Warasi. He couldn't take out the gun. So how is it allegedly, guys? Can someone please unlight something? Because I'm like, why is this guy from Mozambique speaking for this 25-year-old who actually unalived DJ Warasi? Because they even saying that he's gonna plead guilty. He abandoned bail, this guy, because he was just like, no. Mina nje angifuni ukuphumela ngaphandle nje bazongiqinya. Bazongishaya ngamatshe literally when I'm coming out of court. So best thing ngivele ngihlale la ejele ngidlela ukudla kwala eSouth Africa. Basuke ekhaya for 7,000 rands, guys. Wazobulala at 25. Your life is done. I don't know why the Mozambicans were there. Maybe they were trying to extradite, or I'm just not sure what's going on there. And you can see this guy, Uyamkhulumela, is just like also at the same time, no, we're still checking him out, as in there's a chance he's not from Mozambique. Like, I'm just like, please, bruh, please stop. So in 2 days' time, they both gonna appear in court here and no Victor. But my thing is that Uputlengi, girlfriend Victor, because Iona Pele got the protection order from DJ Warasi. From the 5 protection orders that he had DJ Warasi, for 5 people that were harassing him there at Zambezi. Uhlengiwe, girlfriend Kabani ka Victor Majola. Where is she? Because we had said she must also be arrested. She is definitely the person of interest. Like, just like, this is why maybe someone was even saying today, but I'm just like, no, it's not the same. Yona, nigga, aka, it's quite different because the guy is just like, no, I agree to the shooting. I do it. Meaning I am Zalendole. So can I just be arrested forever in my life? DS Leo ngisangikwazi manje ukuyisho ngendaba ye-YouTube. Leo vele nje bakulengisi. Bezothola uBrothers, u-25-year-old. Hayi phela lo muntu wavele wadecide nje ukuthi nje ama-unalive umntana abantu. DJ Warasi, and DJ Warasi's mom was also there. Guys, it was just emotional. It doesn't nice. It's not a nice sight to look at. You know, hearing this is what happened to him. Yeah, so the case is gonna continue. They had said I think Wednesday and Thursday. I'll just let you know, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting Uguningia. We're trying to work on Uguningia, guys. Abe true crime. Thank you. I appreciate you. Over.